out of my way.
Madam, don't go.
Francis, get out of my way.
Madam, don't go, please, madam.
I will break your head if you do
Sorry,
not
ma.
leave my way now.
Sorry, man.
Get away.
Okay, sir.
What's the meaning of this?
I'm leaving now. I'm tired. I can't keep staying here. You're choking me with your attitude.
Francis! Francis!
Yes, sir.
Think about inside.
If you touch my bag, I'll break your stupid face.
Hey.
No. Don't. Do not.
Hey. Listen. It's about inside. Look, let's just go inside and talk. Please. Think about inside. Look, never mind. I'm rushing for a meeting. I have a business meeting to catch up, okay? I'll talk to you when I get back. Okay?
Hi, babe. I've been waiting for you. You're not back. You are not coming home tonight. But why are you just telling me now? Alice, why are you doing this to me? What have I done to you? You know what? It's fine. Take your time.
Yes, madam.
Yes, I did. Your boss called. He said he will be at the airport in an hour. So please hurry up and go pick him up.
Okay, ma'am. So I should go and request a more. Thank you.
Hurry up.
The trip was sudden, so I had to call to inform you about it.
Why are you so unfair to me, Felix? Do you even care about me at all? Does it not occur to you that as a man, you need to be with your wife?
Apologies.
I don't need them. Keep it. Just be my husband. I need you by my side. Felix, your absence is killing me.
Look, I try as much as possible to balance between work and my home. Why are you complaining? I practically provide everything you need. So what is it?
Really? You practically provide everything that I need. So, to you, you do not understand that there's more to being a husband than the provisions? Well, you can keep them. I don't need those things. I need your company!
Can we talk, Mr. Busy Man? All you think about is work, you don't think about us. Oh, about us. Yes, we need money. Yes, we need everything. And your company is more than everything to us. Everything to me.
I'm a woman. I know how you feel. But please, don't be too hard on yourself.
This is not the first time that I would lose my child. It's not the second time. It's not even the third time. 5 babies. 5 babies. Why? Why is this happening to me?
Listen.
I messed up, baby. I messed up, baby. I lost the baby. I lost it.
It's okay. It's okay. Yeah, good day, Mr. Williams. Yeah, I'm fine, And you? Yeah. I was able to send the mail. Yes. What about Mr. Benson? Oh, okay. You know, they have to know we are fully in charge of this business. Yes, of course. Yes. You know, oh, the meeting. I'm so sorry, I won't be able to attend the meeting. I'm so sorry. Yeah. Yes. There is this company that contacted my company. They want to invest in crude oil. Yes. But I will definitely inform you when I get back. Oh, I'll be traveling tomorrow to the FCT. Yes. First thing in the morning. Yes. Oh, okay. I will see you when I get back, sir. Thank you. Bye.
You're traveling?
Yes, to the FCT. I have a business with some very important clients.
And you didn't deem it fit to tell me?
I was going to tell you when I'm done working.
What sort of nonsense is this? What is this, for crying out loud? I'm sick and tired of your nonchalant attitude. You're going to inform me when you're done working.
How much money will it take you to make and see that time is priceless? There won't be a second chance for you to go back in time and right or wrong.
Listen, you're blocking my way.
You're not going anywhere.
Listen, I have a flight to catch in less than an hour.
I don't care! I'm your wife, Felix. I need your attention. When was the last time we hung out as couples? Eh? When?
Why are you talking like this? Eh?
How am I supposed to talk? You are killing me with your absence. And now you plan to kill me with loneliness. Huh?
Enough, Millicent. Why would you utter such word before me?
Is this why you stopped me from walking?
Excuse me.
Felix, if you was much step out of this house, I would leave and never return. And I mean every bit of what I'm saying right now.
How much money will it take you to make? And see that time is priceless. There won't be a second chance for you to go back in time and right to wrong.
Get out of my way.
Madam, don't go.
Francis, get out of
Madam,
my
don't
way.
Go. Madam, don't go, please, madam.
I will break your head if you do
Sorry,
not
ma.
leave my way now.
Sorry, man.
Get away.
Okay, sir.
What's the meaning of this?
I'm leaving. I'm tired. I can't keep staying here anymore. You're choking me with your attitude.
Francis! Francis!
Yes, sir.
Think about inside.
Yes,
If
sir.
you touch my bag, I'll break your stupid face.
Hey,
No, don't. Do not.
hey. Listen, it's about inside. Look, let's just go inside and talk. Please. Think about inside. Hey, have some water.
Thank you.
Don't you think you overreacted out there? At least considering your present condition.
I am tired. I'm tired of living in this big house all by myself. You have made it a tradition that I wait for you day and night. You're not always there. I mean, it's like we are two different people forced to live together. There is no connection, nothing. I'm not feeling good inside of me. Your attitude is making me sick.
Hey, at least I'm here now. I cancelled my trip.
For the moment. Felix, please, can I ask you for a favor?
Which is?
I feel I need to go to my parents' house. Felix, I don't want to lose this pregnancy. You're not always there. I need people around me to relate with.
But hey,
Please.
honey, that's not cool. What will your parents think of me?
Do not bother about that. I will fix it. Just permit me, please.
Look, I'll think about it, okay? I'll think about it, but for now, just stay calm. Hey, just stay calm, okay? What would you like to eat?
Okay, I'm fine.
Hey, let me go make something for you. At least for the sake of the baby. Excuse me.
It's not working. I'm tired.
Hey. I want to come to the dining. I already made something. Okay?
I told you I'm fine.
Just come. Hey, honey, come. Come. Just sit at the dining while I set it for you. Okay? I'll be back in a jiffy.
Oh, Melissa, I miss
You too. How are you there?
How's Daddy?
He's on his way home. Daddy's on his way home.
Oh,
How is Felix?
Felix is doing well.
That's good.
You guys are looking so beautiful.
Are you looking good? So let's go inside.
Miss you guys.
Oh my God.
Oh my God. Oh my God.
My dear, you're welcome once again.
Thank you.
You're not looking bad.
We thank God.
You're welcome, dear.
Mom, I haven't seen Melissa. Where did she go to?
No, Melissa. She's in the kitchen.
Oh,
I asked her to prepare something for you to eat.
I see.
Yes. And your dad called.
Dad called.
Yes. He will soon be home.
I can't wait to see Dad. I missed him.
He will soon be home. Yeah.
Let me just take fresh air.
You're free. Good that.
See, so.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Ah! Oh my God.
It's a long life.
To our new baby, sis. Shh. I am so happy for you, big sis.
Happy to.
5 weeks pregnant. Oh my God. This is good news. But why haven't you told mom and dad? Don't even tell me we're keeping it a secret because you'll be showing very soon.
Melissa, I know. You know, I've been married to Frank for a while now.
Yes.
It's been one miscarriage to another. I've lost 5 babies. Melissa, in those years, I was so demoralized. It was tough. And I know it affected mom and dad. So, you know, with this pregnancy, I don't want to break their heart. Because I don't even know if it will stay.
This will stay.
I believe so. I really hope.
It will. Wow.
I decided to just, let the pregnancy get to 6 months before I tell them. And shh.
Okay.
It's a secret.
I promise. So tell me, how is your husband?
He's doing good.
I am sure he'll be so happy. I mean, being a father again.
Oh, you're right. He's very happy.
Hold on. What's that look on your face?
What look?
I see it. Don't even try to pretend. What's going on?
Melissa, I'm fine.
It is me, Melissa, your sister. I can see through you, girl. You are not fine. What is it? You know you can tell me anything, right?
Melissa, I'm not doing good.
I said it.
I'm not doing good.
What's going on?
Despite this pregnancy and all expectations, I don't get to see my husband. Is it I goes to Yugoslavia today or Kafanshan tomorrow? Felix is everywhere except being in the house with his wife.
For real?
It was out of loneliness and frustration I decided to come up with the idea of coming to stay with mom and dad till my delivery date. I don't know, he's never around. He's never around. I don't get to see Felix. I keep waiting for him night and day. Melissa, I'm not doing well. Sometimes I feel like I'm losing my mind.
It's okay.
Melissa, I'm losing my mind.
It's okay.
I don't get to see Felix. I wait for Felix day and night. Felix is everywhere except with me.
It's okay. It's okay.
He promises to come around before my delivery date. Melissa, I live in that house alone.
You all cannot imagine how joyful I am, knowing that very soon I am going to become a grandfather. It is the desire of every parent and the greatest joy in the world. I am eagerly awaiting that day when I will carry my grandchild in my arms.
And I will be doing more.
After years of series of miscarriages, that day is going to be a joyful and remarkable day. I pray for you, my daughter. May this pregnancy bring you long life.
Amen.
May all your dreams, desires, and aspirations all come to pass.
Amen.
Thank you so much, Daddy.
You're welcome, my child.
I'm grateful. I'm grateful to God for answered prayers. I can't thank you enough.
My daughter, at this your present condition, you have to be very careful and mind what you eat so that the baby will not be too big.
Your mother is right.
Mom, Melissa has been giving me all sorts.
Yes, mommy, yes. I have been giving her lots of food. So the baby will be very big.
Melissa!
Mom.
You don't have to overfeed her.
Come on, Mom. I'm just so excited. I want a big baby.
Ha! I'm excited.
Since he is
is caring. He is so handsome. He is so loving. He is just a total package. I assure you.
So, do you love him?
Well,
It's okay, it's okay. I know you do. Are you sure he loves you?
yes. Yes, he loves me. As a matter of fact, he adores me.
And so what are you people waiting for?
Mom and Dad.
I don't understand.
You see, I just feel Mom and Dad won't accept him. They won't like him because of his career. He's a footballer, and I am very sure Mom and Dad would want me to have a husband like yours.
Oh, what did you say? A husband like mine. Lisa, I do not pray for you to have a husband like mine. You will marry your own husband. You understand? If you are certain that he loves you, leave Mom and Dad to me. I will fix it.
Yes! Yes! Yes!
So, I need to be convinced beyond every reasonable doubt that you are not making the wrong choice.
No, I am not. As a matter of fact, I am planning for him to come over so we get to meet him, ask him all the questions you want to. How will you get to know him? I promise you, you would love him.
I don't like this drooling on your face.
Well, it's the truth.
Anyways, this is the plan. Of course, Mommy and Dad will meet him and they would love him. Trust me. But not now. I like that to happen when the baby's here. Yes. You know, then they will be in a much happier mood, cradling their grandchild in their hand and anything you bring to them. Hook, line and sink. I know! They won't even bother so much about details about him.
Yes! You see why I keep talking about it? You are the best big sister in the world.
Stop trolling already.
I'm so happy. Should I get you something to eat?
Food? My sister has told me so much about you. And I sincerely hope you're truly the picture you painted to her.
Yes, I am.
You see, Melissa is my only sister. And as much I wouldn't want even a scratch on her skin. In our family, we were groomed to understand the essence of oneness and unity. So, I would beg of you to do everything you can within your power never to hurt Melissa. Because if you do, you will not be hurting only Melissa, but the rest of us. Because you hurt one, you hurt everybody.
Yeah. Honestly, I don't want to say it because you're here, but honestly speaking, my love for Melissa is true. I love her so much. Matter of fact, Melissa and I are so much in love with ourselves. I can swear to that. Then, to the unity and oneness in your family, of course, I will maintain that. She's my number one priority and I will always do my best to take care of her.
I'm glad. I'm glad that you understand the essence of oneness and unity to us as a family.
Yes, I do.
You're welcome, Orlando.
Thank you. Thank you. I want to ask, when are you going back to the city?
Oh, I'm still here till I put to bed.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Okay, you will deliver safely like the people.
Oh.
Oh, since she's still here, why don't you bring her to the stadium so she'll watch our team play next week?
Okay.
What?
Yes.
Oh, that would be amazing. I mean, I would love to see you play in the pictures against what I watch on the TV.
Oh, really? So
Yes.
you can actually come?
I am there already. Let me tell you, I know a little bit about football.
Okay.
My husband is a football lover and he's a diehard fan of all these local leagues.
Yeah.
You know, so I know a thing about two about football.
Okay.
I also know that you play for the unbeatable and you guys never lose a match.
Yes,
No.
I've seen them play. It's still great.
Top notch. And I'm the top 9, like number 9 there. So I always score goal, my snake, right?
Oh, wow.
It's like the post. I show no mercy when I see the net. Yeah. So they even rate me like the next victor is Sime. Yes.
That's a lot of money.
Yes.
Wow.
Thank you.
I'm fine. Mom and Dad, you're doing well. Elisa is also good. Everybody's waiting for you. Excuse me? Felix, what are you even saying? I've been at my parents' place and you've been here just once to see me. Oh, please spare me that baseless excuse of yours. We are expecting our first child, for crying out loud. Really? You know what? Why am I even complaining? It's not like I'm not used to your absence in the first place. You know what? I'm done. You have a good day.
Oh, sis, here is the water. Are you okay?
It's Felix. It's
Wait.
Kill me. Don't know.
Don't tell me he's not coming back to see you at the end of the month.
It's not coming.
How?
Alex is not coming. It's not coming. My life with Felix has been a living hell. Ever since I married that man, I've been the one waiting on him morning and night. If he's not in Moscow today, he's at Madagascar. He's everywhere but his home. See, I don't do anything with Felix. We've never spent one weekend as a couple together. My life with Felix is just like, two different species being locked up in a cage. We don't go out together, we don't relate, we don't associate. We all live our separate lives.
What kind of life is this, sis?
And I'm tired. I don't know what to do anymore.
Well, is this how you want to keep living your life? Married but living single? This? Look, sis, I sincerely think you should tell mom and dad about it. They will call him to order.
No, Melissa. It's a no-no. It's not a good deal to report your spouse to your parents. Do you understand?
Okay.
Well, I'm just hopeful that with the coming of this baby, he would reduce his business trips and learn to stay at home some more. But I'm not going to throw him under the bus.
Right.
And you will not do so too.
I know I won't.
Sorry, please take it easy.
Thank you, Orlando.
Yeah.
And thank you for dropping by. You're such a lively person.
Yeah, thank you. I hear that a lot. And you too, you're such a caring and good-hearted person. Just like your sister.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
Of course, you're going to meet our parents quite alright, but we just think it's wise for us to wait till after the birth of my baby. With the birth of this baby, the whole situation around the house will be more accommodating and it will be very easy for you to be accepted into the family.
Oh, I don't have a problem with that, actually. I don't have a problem. And I can't wait to meet your parents.
You will.
Yes. The truth is, I'll keep saying this. I love Melissa so much. I love her so much with all my heart. And I can't wait for my people to come meet your people and then we'll do the needful. Right?
I love you too.
I love you more.
Thank you, big sis. Okay.
You're welcome, darling, and I'm happy for you. You know I can do anything for you.
That's right.
Orlando,
Yes.
one more thing.
Okay.
In fact, the most important thing. You will have to promise me that at no time will you prioritize your football career over my sister's happiness.
I promise you that. Never. You see, she is my #1 priority. I love her so much. My love for her is genuine, 100%. I cannot think of any other person. Even my career cannot stop me from loving her. Wherever I go, she goes with me. Right, baby?
Yes.
Yes. So, there is this thing I've learned about love, and I think I need to spill it out. You know, if you love a lady so much as a man, her thoughts will always fill your mind. And you won't want to, let her leave your side for a second. That is why I'm always with her. Yes. My love for her is real. And I can't wait to make her my wife.
Those are very wise words.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
You're welcome. Cheers to
Oh,
all the happiness in the world.
Yes.
cheers to all the happiness in the world. Cheers. Sorry.
There comes a time in this world when you have to choose with nothing to lose. There comes a time when you have to look back. You can choose for yourself alone again. You have to choose for the family and choose for the ones that you love.
Millicent. Millicent.
You called. I'm sorry. Did you call me?
Millicent. What troubles your mind? I've been watching you for days now. It seems something is bothering you.
Me? Nothing is bothering me. I'm fine, Mom.
My daughter, I'm your mother. I watched you grow to the adult you are now. And I know when something is bothering my daughter. What is the problem? Is it your husband?
No, my husband. Did Melissa tell you anything?
Anything like what?
Oh, never mind, Mom. Honestly, I'm fine. Everything is okay with me.
When is your husband coming to see us?
Oh, today, tomorrow, or next, he said, yeah.
Okay. Have you eaten?
Melissa got me some fruits.
Okay. So, what would you like to have for dinner?
Let's see. Wheat and vegetable. Mom, your specialty. That vegetable, just the way you make it.
Consider it done.
I trust you. Thank you.
So, let me go to the kitchen and start the preparation.
Okay. Thank you, Mom.
All right, dear.
Mom.
I love you too, Dada.
Oh! What is it? Oh! Ah!
What is it?
What is it? On my back. I think the baby's coming. Mommy, my leg.
So. Let's go.
Oh, my baby can walk.
Sorry, just take it easy, okay? Let's go.
Da, 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 da. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Ooh. There comes a time in this world when you have to choose with nothing to lose. There comes a time when you have to look back. You can choose for yourself.
Millicent,
Alone again.
you were a great person. I will forever miss you. The little time I spent with you were cherishable. It will be cherished all my life. Rest on, Queen.
We cannot tell it where to go. Love can come from strangest places. We cannot tell it where to go. Deep in your heart, you know it's true. Although you are confused, you were too afraid to admit where your heart is. It will only take courage to beat your heart and say, this is who I am. This is who I am. It only take courage to look in the mirror and tell yourself the truth.
My love, I'm sorry. I'm so sorry for the loss. Honestly, I know how you feel. But it has happened, it has happened. Your sister was a great person. Please, take heart. And stop crying. I don't like seeing you good in tears. It breaks my heart. Please. I want you to be strong for me. Alright? Take care of yourself. Sorry. I'll call you. Alright?
Thank
And
you.
stop crying, please. Elisa.
To beat your heart and say, this is who I am. This is who I am. To only take courage.
I tried convincing Felix to leave baby Alicia for me to take care of her. But he desisted. We cannot stop him from the decision he has taken. He's the father. So my dear, your father and I have decided that you have to go with Felix to look after baby Alicia.
My child, since you are through with your university studies and your NYSC, just like you have always complained of being idle, your mother and I thought it would be a good idea if you travel to the city with Felix to while away time. Who knows? You might get a better job offer. I know the good virtues and morals your mother and I have inculcated in you will surely make way for you. We are not trying to make a decision for you, but whatever you decide, we will surely accept.
Melissa, you're left to make your decision. I cannot leave your father behind to go with Felix, knowing fully well that I have to be around to take care of your father's health challenge. for the sake of your late sister and her baby. Felix called to inform us that he will be coming this weekend. But he will be living with baby Alicia. Whatever you decide, please let us know.
It is only but for a short while. We will always come visiting.
There comes a time in this world when you have to choose with nothing to lose. There comes a time when you have to look back. You can choose for yourself alone again. You have.
Where's Orlando? He has been calling non-stop. What is this? Why are you crying?
Oh my, I'm crying over everything. I'm just exhausted. Why would my big sister leave me just like that? Mom, she made me lots of promises. I am not ready, Mom. I am not ready to fit into her shoes. My big sister and I shared a lot of secrets. One that you and Dad never knew about. She was strong, Mom. She was going through so much. She was such a good person. Why? Why?
What are you even talking about?
Mom, you will not understand. We shared a secret and I promised that I was going to keep it that way.
My child, we will not force you against your will. Whatever decision you make, be rest assured that you are making it in remembrance of your sister Millicent and the happiness of little baby Alicia, her daughter. It's okay. It's okay, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. Please, it's okay.
Amanda, just stop calling. Stop calling. I don't even know what to tell you. And even if I tell you, you won't understand. So just leave me alone. I'm sorry. I'm sorry I cannot talk to you.
Melissa, what is going on? I've been calling you, you're not picking my calls, texting you, no response, and you don't call back. What have I done to you?
I'm sorry, okay? My sister's death put me in disarray. I'm even in some sort of dilemma.
I don't understand. Is that why you're not picking your boyfriend's call?
I am leaving. I'm going to live with my sister's husband for now. I have to be there to help take care of the baby, but I promise you, I'll pick your call henceforth. I'll call you every day. I will even send you the address of the place.
Hold on. Let me get you clear. You want to leave me and travel? Why? I mean, your sister's husband is a rich man. Must you go and take care of the baby? He has money to employ nanny, maid and anything to take care of the baby.
Yes.
It must not be you.
I know, but all in due time. He'll get a nanny, but for right now, he really needs me. Please, just try and understand.
Babe, I understand. But what about me? my feelings. I've not seen you for some time now, and I've not heard your voice for some time as well. I want to be with my love.
I'm sorry, please. I'll call you every day, I promise.
This is so hard. Are you sure you'll be calling me once you get this?
Promise.
When are you leaving?
Tomorrow.
Tomorrow, yeah. Oh, come on, babe. I'll miss you now, eh?
Please.
I'll miss you. I mean, how will I cope without you? You know, you've all I got. I can't do without you.
Please.
Okay, no problem. But promise me you'll be calling me like you said. Always, right? I'll miss you.
I miss you too, babe.
I love you.
I love you.
You please don't go. Stay with me.
I'll call you, okay? You'll be fine. Promise.
Can we talk, Mr. Busy Man? All you think about is work, you don't think about us. Oh, about us. Yes, we need money. Yes, we need everything. And your company is more than everything to us. Everything to me. I want you to stay with me. I need you close. I need you close. I want you to stay with me. We need you close. We need you here. Can we talk, Mr. Busy Man? How much money will it take you to make? And see that time is priceless. There won't be a second chance for you to go back in time and right the wrong. You cannot right the wrong. Hey, I want you to stay.
Why is she not picking her calls now? I just left her. She's not picking her calls. Why is Melissa doing this to me? Eh? She promised that she'll be calling me and she'll take my calls, so why is she not picking my calls now? And I just left her. I don't like this. Honestly speaking, I don't like this. She's doing this on purpose and it's so wrong. She's not taking my calls. Is she cheating on me? Huh?
Sure, I will.
Make sure you take him. Okay? If there is any problem, just call me.
Please
We'll
take
be
care of
calling
my
time to time to see you, okay?
take care of my daughter.
Sure, I will. Thank you very much, sir.
I wish you a safe journey.
Just take care of them.
No problem. Okay.
Alright, a safe journey.
Alright, sir. Thank you very much.
Although you are confused, you were too afraid to admit where your heart is. It will only take courage to beat your heart.
What's going on? Huh? It's my woman. Since yesterday, her number has been switched off. She didn't even bother to call me with someone else's phone. Huh? And I can't see anybody here. Where has she gone to? Should I shout her name? Melissa! Switch off. Why is she doing this on purpose? Huh? Since yesterday, switch off. And I was supposed to see her before she leave. What am I going to do now? Who do I call? I can't just even go there and talk to anybody. Switch off. Melissa, are you doing this to wicked me or what? Are you doing this intentional? Since yesterday your phone has been switched off and no way to get to you and you're happy about it? Bros, hey, have you seen any girl, like tall girl, black girl, around? Right.
You can tell it where to go, where to go. Da 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 da, doo-doo-doo-doo. There comes a time in this world when you have to choose with nothing to lose. There comes a time when you have to look back. You can choose for yourself alone again. You have to choose for the family and choose for the ones that you love, that you love.
It's okay, baby.
Hey.
Hey, you're welcome.
Thank you. How are you?
I'm fine.
You told me you lost your phone, yeah?
Yes, I did.
I decided to get you a new one.
Oh,
Yes, there's a SIM card in it and a power bank.
thank you so much.
You're welcome. How is baby Alicia doing?
She is doing well. I was going to tell you her diaper has finished.
I got it already. James is bringing it.
Oh, okay. You're welcome.
Yeah, excuse me.
Okay.
Let me quick shower, okay?
Okay. Who's your daddy? Who's your daddy?
Mommy, I'm fine, thank you. How are you? How is that doing? Mommy, baby Alicia is fine. But sincerely, it's not been easy for me. Taking care of her all by myself, it's strenuous. Mom, sometimes I just wish you're here. She hardly sleeps at night. I just put her to sleep a while ago. Ah, did you hear that? Mom, she's up. Okay, Mom, bye. I'm coming. Oh.
Da 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 da, doo-doo-doo-doo. There comes a time in this world when you have to choose with nothing to lose. There comes a time when you have to look back. You can choose for yourself alone again. You have to choose for the family and choose for the ones that you love, that you love. You have to choose for the future and putting everyone in your heart, oh, in your heart. Yeah, love can come from strangest places. We cannot tell it where to go. Love can come from strangest places. We cannot tell it where to go. Deep in your heart.
Wait.
Are you going out again? You've not been around for 3 days. You just came back this morning. Now you're going out again. Don't you want to know how Alicia is doing?
Is this why you stopped me?
I made breakfast. Come and have something.
I actually don't have time for that. I have a business trip to catch, okay? I'll be back in a few weeks.
Wait, did you say business trip?
Yes.
If I had not stopped you, you wouldn't have told me you were traveling. Why now?
I dropped 200,000 naira on the dining table, okay? Easy to sort yourself. James, turn on the cook.
Can we talk, Mr. Busy Man? All you think about is work, you don't think about us. Oh, about us. Yes, we need money, yes, we need everything. And your company is more than everything to us. Everything to me. I want you to stay with me.
Small madam, you are crying again? Please don't cry. Oga is a very, very wonderful man. Such a very nice man. But the problem is, he is so dedicated to his work and business than his family. I'm so sorry, don't cry. Welcome to Oga's colony.
Thank you. And see,
welcome.
That time is priceless. There won't be a second chance for you to go. Da, 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 da. Doo-doo-doo-doo. Ooh. There comes a time in this world when you have to choose with nothing to lose. There comes a time when you have to look back. You can choose for yourself alone again. You have to choose for the family and choose for the ones that you love, that you love. You have to choose for the future and putting everyone in your heart. Oh, in your heart. Yeah, love can come from strangest places. We cannot tell it where to go. Love can come from strangest places. We cannot tell it.
Mom, haven't I given more than expected? Haven't I tried? Will I live all my life in this house looking after Alicia?
My child, you have tried more than expectations. I'm concerned about Alicia's feelings. According to what you said, she sees you as her real biological mother. She has known you all her life. Eh? And with the look of things, you are not lacking anything. You told us that Felix placed you on a monthly salary.
But Mom, I have a life. I need to get my own life together. I'm a graduate. I need to go out there and get a job with my certificate. I need to also get married, have my own kids and raise my family, Mom.
I know. Wait, just hold on for your father, okay? Hold on.
Good afternoon, Daddy. I'm fine, thank you. And you?
I'm fine, my child. Yeah, my child, just to add to what your mother said. All we're saying is that you should stay a little more. Yeah. To allow Alicia grow up. So that when the news about her mother's death is finally revealed to her, she will have the capacity to withstand the shock.
Dad, what are you even saying? Alicia is 10. And if she finds out I'm not her biological mother, she won't have a problem with it. I am sure of that.
My child, look at it this way. She has grown up to take you as her biological mother. Are you going to erase that idea? You see what I'm saying? I can even hear her voice on the background calling you mom.
Dad, I'll call you later, okay? Let me take care of her.
It's okay, my child.
Alright, sir. Bye. Hi, darling.
Mom, do you mind helping me in my assignment?
Of course. Why not? Let me take a look. Okay. So this one is, let's see. It's,
A time in this world when you have to choose with nothing to lose. There comes a time when you have to look back. You can choose for yourself alone again. You have to choose for the family and choose for the one.
Your daughter is grown. She's a big girl now.
You have to choose for the future.
Big shoes.
Putting everyone
Living with Felix has been breathtaking. Sis, I now understand. Can I understand all you kept complaining about and all you went through? I miss you so much.
we cannot tell it to go deep in your heart.
Can I have a word with you?
Okay, go on.
I was wondering if you'll come back home tonight, so I'll know if I should make dinner for you.
Yes, I will.
Oh, one more thing, sir. There's this necklace I saw in my big sister's room. I was wondering if I can have it.
Yeah, you can have it.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome. Any other thing?
No, nothing else. Have a nice day.
You too.
You're welcome, sir. Sir, should I serve your dinner now?
Yeah, you should while I go freshen up. Has Alicia gone to bed?
Yes, sir. Mom and Dad called. They wanted to know how we are doing.
And what did you tell them?
I told them that we are fine. And they also wanted to know if we are coming back home for Christmas.
And what did you say?
I told them I would have to find out from you first.
I'll be going on a business trip, so that won't be possible. But I'll make every necessary arrangement for you and Alicia to go. Okay?
Sir, what do you think about my look? I look like my sister, right?
Hello? Hey, James. James, there's trouble. Oh. There's big trouble. Hey, the police, they've just arrested your madam. Oh.
Police? What for?
Your madam, she took one of the cars out. So, on our way going, there was one small boy who was crossing the road and your madam knocked the boy down. And in the process, the small boy died.
Oh my God! So where is young madam now?
Your madam, she's in the police custody at GRA.
Okay. I'll go inside and inform God now.
Please do, please do.
Alright, now take care.
And why did you inform me that you wanted to use a car?
Brother, please come down.
Hey, I wasn't talking to you. Speak.
I am sorry. It wasn't deliberate. The little boy just ran in from nowhere. I promise it will never happen again, please.
No, being sorry doesn't solve this problem. Do you know how much damages these shop owners are claiming? And let me let you know something. You better pray that the injury you inflicted on that young boy, he becomes better. He survives. If not. And please, you are forbidden to pick any car from this compound. Yes! James is here, the driver of this compound. If you want to go out, call him.
Is that not too harsh? Oh, I just said I am sorry. It was a mistake. Besides, I remember how my late sister told me the mistake she made when she was learning how to drive.
Enough! What is your problem? And why do you keep talking about your late sister? You keep trying to do everything to be like her. You wear her hairs, you wear jewelry, you wear the same clothes she wears. What is your problem? Why do you want to be like her? Let me let you know something. You would never, ever become another Millicent.
Brother, please. Those words are too harsh on her.
It's fine. Actually, you are right. I will never ever become another Millicent, but in some aspects, I fit into her shoes. She was lonely when she was alive, just like I am lonely here now. You never gave her attention when she was alive, just like you don't give us attention, myself and your daughter. You only value her memories now that she's late, just like you value my memory and my time when I'm gone from this house. You think I'm here because I enjoy it? I'm only here because of my late sister. Eh? I was so done and let's leave this house for you.
Brother, you see what I've been telling you? Try and calm down your temper. Those words were too harsh on her. Brother, I am your younger sister, and I should be able to tell you the truth. If your parents were to be alive, they won't say otherwise. Brother, you're treating Melissa in a bad way. You're not performing your marital responsibilities and duties.
You're right. I just didn't realize. Millicent, I'm sorry for all the negligence. I just hope wherever you are, you can forgive me.
Brother, forgiveness will only come when you are ready to make amends. A lot of mistakes and negligence were made while Millicent was still alive. Please, it's time for you to make amends, take corrections, and treat Melissa as a wife, and also your daughter. Please. I know you're a good brother. You're a good husband. Please. Hope I'm not late.
No, not at all.
Okay, I'm so sorry I was packing up my bags. I'll be leaving tomorrow.
Tomorrow? Why now?
Duty calls. I would have loved to stay longer.
Sincerely, Felicia, your stay here has made things so easy for me.
I wish I can keep you here. Mom, it's okay. So when are we going to see you again?
Very soon. And Melissa, I want to thank you for everything. Your perseverance.
But Auntie, you promised to stay with us, and besides, Mom is always happy when you're around.
That's right.
Alicia, baby, I would have loved to stay, but like I said, I'll be back soon. Your mommy is a strong and loving woman. She's happy now. I'm glad. Don't worry, I'll come back for you soon, okay?
Okay.
Go ahead.
Oh, I miss you.
I'll miss you more.
Hey.
Hey, you're here.
Yeah, why do you ask?
I am surprised to see you home by this time. You don't have work or business trip. You know, you're very busy.
I got this for you. Have you? They're all yours. Yeah. In there's a dress and a shoe. Yeah. Try them on. I'm sure they would fit. I actually came home because of this. I have to rush back to the office. Okay?
Thank you.
I'll see you when I get back.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye. This is strange.
You're going on another trip again? When are you coming back? You don't know. How can I complain when I am just a baby toy in this house? Don't you think about your daughter Alicia at all? Don't you think about that poor baby? I haven't even wondered how would this child get to know you and call you father just as she calls me mother? Will he live in this house with you both forever? What happens when I leave to my own home? Will I be coming from my husband's house to come and check up on your child and know if she gets to know you? No problem. Go on your trip, go all over the world. But just know that my late sister will not be happy with you wherever she is, knowing that you're neglecting her child. Hello? Hello? It's never ever around. Never around.
You don't have to keep me quiet. I've been asking you since. Who is that girl? Orlando, please, I demand an explanation. Who is she?
Listen. I'm a superstar. I'm a footballer. You're shouting. This is a hotel.
I will shout. I don't care. Let everybody listen. Orlando, who is that girl?
Calm down. You're shouting.
Orlando, I'm not calming down. Tell me. I saw the way you were looking at her.
All right.
Orlando, tell me.
Keep
Who
shouting.
is she?
Keep shouting now.
Orlando.
Keep shouting.
Orlando.
Keep shouting. Melissa, I trusted you. I loved you. I gave you all of me. I even tried meeting your people just to make my intentions known to them. But what did I get in return? You disappointed me. No way of communicating to you. No news about you. Just like that. What wrong did I do to you? After the love, after the care, after everything we shared together. Am I that bad? Did I do anything wrong that I cannot apologize to you? just left like that? Are you this callous? Are you this mean and heartless? Are you really unfaithful?
Lando, all the names you just called me, heartless, mean, unfaithful, I deserve it. I deserve all of it. But speaking about unfaithfulness, do you know who I have actually really been unfaithful to? Myself. I have been so unfaithful to myself. All I do is care for everyone around me, not myself.
I don't understand. What are you talking about?
All I know, things have not really been easy for me. I am just like a crumbling wall that needs support itself. I know you don't deserve what I did to you. But I have not been living happily. I have been living a very lonely and deserted life. But that doesn't mean that you deserve how I have treated you. No, you don't. I'm sorry. Please just find a place in your heart to forgive me. Please. I beg you. I have really been through so much.
It's okay. It's okay. Stop crying. You know I don't like seeing your tears. It breaks my heart. Please. Come here. I missed you.
I missed you too.
So, when you left me that day, I was walking to the bus stop, and then from nowhere, some guy just snatched my bag.
Really?
Yes, and my phone was in the bag. I remember I told you I was leaving the next day.
Yes.
There was no time to reach out to you. I didn't have your number. I would have called you with my mom's phone, but I had to leave.
Wow.
Sincerely, you've always been in my thoughts. I mean, I never stopped thinking about you. When I got to the city, Felix got me a new phone and a new SIM. But still, I didn't have your number. So we lost touch and...
It's okay. Sorry about that, but we are here now. I mean, I don't want to miss you again, okay? Melissa, I want you to stay with me. Please, stay close to me. You know how much I've missed you, and you know how I love you.
I have missed you too.
See, listen, now that we're together, let us be together forever. Alright?
Orlando, tell me, it's been years. What has been happening with you? Like, you're at the top of your career, you're doing so well.
I know.
Girlfriend?
No, girlfriend, squaw. I don't have a girlfriend. I'm single. I mean, everybody likes me because of my money. I don't have a genuine lover like you.
You?
I'm single. Uh-oh.
Orlando, what is going on here?
Yeah, just calm down, okay? I can explain.
Explain what? Who is she?
Can you just calm down?
Orlando, stop telling me to calm down. Who is she? What's she doing here, seated on your bed?
Excuse me?
Excuse you?
Just calm down.
Orlando, what is going on? We are engaged, about to be married. Is this how you bring girls into your room? What is going on here, Orlando?
Can you just listen to me? Can I just
listen
stop?
to you? What? Get out from this place. Just get out of this room.
Are you
Go!
serious?
Get out! Get up and get out!
Listen, you have to be civil. You don't have to talk to my guest like that. I mean, she's my guest and you are shouting at her.
Orlando, ask her to leave now.
I don't know why she's acting like this. I don't know. You don't... Can you...
Get out!
Whoa! Wow! 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 Wow!
Get out! You don't
bed. Now, come on.
Why will I do
I don't
what?
like this.
Why will I do what?
See everywhere. Look at your... Why will you pour out water? Why? Huh? You spoiled everything.
I will even do worse thing. This is what you do when I'm not here, right? This is it.
God, is that how you behave? Look at my... Oh my goodness, this is totally wrong. I don't like this. Huh? Listen to me. I swear she's my guest and you should have listened to me.
Oh, guest. You were holding her hand so close. Guest.
It's unfair. Excuse me, please. I told you she's my guest. Huh? Can't listen to me. Is that how you want to get married to
Your
me?
guest? And you're sitting down close to her.
Then-
Well, I know you were holding her hands passionately. What guest is that?
Hey, don't call me water. It's okay. What is it?
Orlando, where do you think you're going to? Orlando, come back here! You're leaving me here, right? Orlando!
Who's that?
It's me.
Well, madam.
Okay.
Mama, you are welcome. Oh.
Thank you.
You are wet. Did they beat you where you go? Oga is even back. We're inside.
Oga is back.
Yeah, Oga is back.
How is that even possible? Where is the scan? Where is James?
Oga sent James make you go carry Alicia from school.
Oh my god. Oh my god.
Anything the matter? Madam, welcome. Oh.
Where are you coming from? Eh? I've been calling your line since and it's saying not reachable. Did you switch off your phone?
No, I did not switch off my phone. I had a very low battery.
What about the power bank I got you? Didn't you get it?
I didn't take it with me. Sorry. How was your trip?
It was fine.
I wasn't expecting you to be back this soon.
Why are you wet? Was it raining where you went to? It's fine. It's fine. Why don't you come in? Let's get you a change of clothes, okay?
Okay. Thank you.
Hello? Yeah, Melissa, I've been trying to reach you, but to no avail. What happened?
By the time I got home yesterday, Felix was already back.
Listen, I'm sorry for the other day, okay? Yeah, but please. Don't you think it's high time you leave that man? I don't like the idea that you're still at that man's house. Alright? Please come to me. I need you.
Orlando, please. Things does not really work like that now. How can I just get up and leave him? If I even have to leave him, then I have to make some proper arrangements for their welfare. You know, he's a man, he can't do all these things by himself. You know what? I'm presently at Alicia's school to pick her up.
Exactly what I'm talking about. Let's plan together. Let's live together. Alright? You know how much I love you.
Let me call you back when I get home. So we'll talk more and plan on how to see. Is that okay?
Alright, please try come around, okay? I need to see you. I need to hold you. I need to touch you again.
Alright, I'll contact you when coming.
Alright. I'll be waiting for you.
Okay, bye.
Surprised to see me?
Yes.
I know you're surprised to see me at Alicia's school.
I am.
What are you going to see?
Oh, my hairstylist. Yeah.
Oh, your hairstylist, yeah?
Yes.
Okay, it's okay. She not closed yet?
She should be out any moment from now.
Oh.
Hey, my baby. How are you?
I'm fine.
Oh, you're fine.
Mommy, who is he?
My princess, it's me, Daddy. Come.
Yeah.
How are you?
Fine. Are you sure you're my dad?
Yes I am. I guess I am your dad.
But you hardly spend time with me and mom. When I wake up in the morning, you're off to work. When you come back late, I'm fast asleep. And when I ask mom, where is my dad? She says you're on a business trip.
My princess, look, all those are in the past, okay? I have a surprise for you. Why don't I take you, mommy and I on a 1 month vacation to America?
1 month?
Yeah.
What happens to her school?
No problem. Even at work, I've spoken to my secretary to take care of things over there. And I've also sent an email to her school on that effect that she'll be absent for 1 month. Okay? Do you like it? And Melissa, I have a surprise for you.
For me?
Yes, but we have to go home first.
Okay.
Princess, come.
A time in this world when you have to choose with nothing to lose. There comes a time when you have to look back. You can choose for yourself alone again. You have to choose for the family and choose for the ones that you love. You have to choose for the future and putting everyone in your heart. Oh, in your heart. Yeah, love can come from strangest place.
And why are you standing there pensively? Take.
Thank you.
Don't you like the gifts? They're all yours.
I know you heard all my conversation. I
didn't hear the conversations. I only got to hear when you said I'll contact you when coming.
Is that it?
Yeah. Melissa, look, you've made me realize it all. I know I've not been there for you and my daughter. And I also know I've not been a caring father to Alicia. But that's in the past. Your words have made me realize my negligence and I'm ready to make amends. Yes. You paid a huge sacrifice by forgoing your ambition just to be with my daughter and I. Thank you very much. And I guess the only way I can reciprocate this is by increasing your salary. I know I'm not paying you so much, yeah? But as a form of appreciation, I would be increasing your salary.
Thank you.
No, I should be the one thanking you. Oh, you look like a princess walking on ice. Have you tried your clothes?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Mom, why are you crying?
No, baby, I am not crying. Come here. You look so beautiful. At least I thank you to your daddy.
Thank you.
You're welcome. You should try all the dresses, okay?
Okay.
These kids are doing. Melissa, meet my secretary.
Oh, secretary.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
Same here, ma.
I will just go inside.
Okay. I'll meet you soon.
Hello. Good day.
Hey, do you mind if I join you right away?
Oh, sure. Why not? You good?
Yeah, sure. I'm okay.
All right.
Thank you. I presume you're waiting for a partner, right?
Oh, yeah, I'm waiting for someone actually.
Actually, I know already.
Yeah.
You sit on your own with your phone, drinking it alone. I know you're waiting for somebody.
Yeah, man. So, what about you?
Yeah.
You waiting for someone too?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sorry. Pardon my manners. I'm Susan Gab.
Orlando Peters.
Stop my name. What do you do?
Seriously? You just, walk in here and you asking me what. Anyway, I'm a footballer.
Yes! I said it! I've been trying to picture the face. You're a footballer, I said it. You play for Marking FC, right? You're the captain of the team, right?
Hold up.
It's you.
Oh, really? You must be a big fan of football.
Sure I am. I'm a big fan of your show. Yes. Funny enough, my boss is too.
Oh, really?
Yes.
Oh. Nice to meet you.
Same here. Nice meeting you once again.
Nice meeting you too. Yes, Melissa. What's going on now? I've been expecting you. What do you mean you could not make it? But we agreed. We both agreed that you come meet me at the bar today. And I've been here waiting for you over 3 hours. Then you could have told me now. There are other bars around that we can still hang out. But why don't you want to see me in the bar? Alright, no problem. If that's what you want. I really need to see you. I want to see you. I've missed you. Alright. I'll call you. Take care. You're stressing me.
Hello, Lady Susan. Yes, I just dropped her off now. I overheard her on the phone saying they are going to meet in a different bar from the one they usually meet. Yes, I guess it's the one down the road. Yeah. The fixed time is 10 o'clock. I'll keep you updated. Thank you.
Wow. We meet again.
Hi.
Hi.
Yeah, how are you?
I'm very well. How are you?
I'm fine. I'm actually leaving. I just came in to chill.
You're leaving already?
Yes, I'm leaving. I will see you some other time, eh? Take care.
Oh, take care. Hi, Melissa.
Hey, Hey, stop! Stop there. Yes? What is yes? You think I'm monitoring you, right? I'm going to monitor you till death. Until you stay far away from my man. Oh, it will interest you to know that I'm aware you're married. Meaning you're cheating on your husband. What a shame.
What are you even talking about? What is your problem?
Don't worry. By the time I get to your husband, you will know there's a problem.
Are you some sort of monitoring spirit?
Yes, so. I will keep monitoring you, don't you know? Shameless woman. Stay away from my man. Shame. When I report it to your husband, you will know if I'm monitoring you or not.
If you have a problem, go and settle it with Orlando. What is it? Why are you following me about?
Are you surprised to see me? Yeah, I know. I came to see you. Okay? I came to pick you up. Can we go in?
Yeah.
Alright.
Okay.
Yeah, let's go.
Although you are confused, you were too afraid to admit where your heart is. It will only take courage to beat your heart and say, this is who I am. This is who I am. It will only take courage to look in the mirror and tell yourself the truth.
I want to know, why did you attack Melissa?
Oh, she already called you.
Oh yeah, she called me.
Ah.
Do you know who Melissa is to me?
Huh?
Huh?
Who am I to you? Orlando, tell me, who am I to you? She called you and you're here shivering. You want to attack me. Bring it on now, Orlando. Go ahead and do something. The next thing, just stay away from that girl. Stay away from her. Because what I will do to her, you will not like it. Even she will not like it too. Nonsense. Meet me inside.
Really? You see all this nonsense you're doing? All this useless attitude of yours, it will soon stop. Mark my words, it will soon stop. Juliet! Come here, Juliet!
Wow, we meet again. Could this be miracle? Meanwhile, last week I saw you leaving and today you're leaving again. Indeed, they said people seem to be crossing each other's path. You look tense. Are you okay?
Sorry, who are you? And why do you always cross my path?
Fate, I guess.
Fate.
Yes.
Excuse me. Hello? Yeah, Melissa. What? Wait. Hold on. I want to understand you correctly. You mean Susan? Yes, Susan is the secretary to Felix. Are you serious? How come you're just telling me now? Why haven't you told me about this since? Oh my goodness. No wonder she always crossed my path.
Madam, who are you?
I said open the gate, let me in.
Madam, I cannot allow you to come inside.
Open the gate.
Who are you, madam?
Don't let me slap you.
Francis.
Open the gate.
Francis.
Open it.
Young lady, what's the problem?
Are you Mr. Felix?
That's my boss. What's it?
I want to see your boss.
What for?
Another question. I said I want to see your boss.
Why?
What is it?
Oh. Are you Felix, Melissa's supposed husband?
James, go to the car, come here. I believe you must be Juliet Igudaro, yes?
Oh. Is you lonely?
I only pick interest on things I need to know. Why have you come to see me?
Okay. Since you already know me, that makes my coming here much more easier. Tell your shameless wife to stay away from my man.
Is that all?
What do you mean, is that all?
Okay, look. I'll make it easier. I'll make you an offer so that I can stay clear of my wife. How much is your worth?
I believe you don't understand the reason why I'm here. I said tell your shameless wife to stay away from my man.
I totally understood you.
Oh. Are you mocking or insulting me?
Not at all, madam.
What kind of a man are you?
One of a kind. Look, I cannot cast a stone at Melissa. Whatever she's doing right now is all my fault. I am only paying for my negligence. So please, don't hurt my wife. Okay? I am sure your fiancé has not told you about his escapades with my wife, how they met and how they parted. So I'm going to make this easy for you. How much is your worth? So you can stay clear of my wife.
Okay, good. Since you want to make a deal, 5 million naira.
Is that a deal?
No, 10 million naira.
Alright, cash or check.
What kind of a man are you?
So, how is business?
Business is fine. Bless God. We're pushing. Yeah. Oh, here she comes.
Mom, Melissa, Dad.
Welcome, Mom. Why didn't you come with Dad to come pick me up from school?
Baby, I am sorry. By the time I got to your school, your teacher said your dad had taken you already.
Yeah. I also tried your line and it was not reachable.
I'm sorry about that. My phone battery is dead.
It's fine.
Mom and Dad, you both didn't inform me you were coming.
You are welcome, my child.
You're welcome, dear. Thank you.
We just want to give you a surprise visit. Felix here has been telling us how helpful you have become in taking care of Alicia, himself, and the family as well. Your mother and I are so proud of you, and we just want to say thank you.
Melissa, my beautiful daughter. We are so happy. Thank you so much. You have indeed done commendable work with the value imparted in you. Your sister Millicent will be so proud of you, just as we are proud of you. We love you, Dad.
Thank you, Mommy.
God bless you.
Amen.
Some children defy all boundaries, as far going to bring shame, disgrace, reproach to their parents, who has been taking care of them right from their youthful age, in making sure they become responsible children to themselves and the nation at large. But in your case, you have never brought us shame. Instead, you kept making us proud. Your mother and I want to say thank you once again. And we pray that God will continue to guide you to make sure you don't thread on the wrong path.
Amen.
And we also pray that whatever your dreams and aspirations are, they should all come to pass.
Amen, Daddy. My dear daughter, I thank you so much. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
And one more thing, my daughter.
Online.
Felix here has indicated interest in you. Okay, let me put it this way. Felix says he wants to marry you.
Married?
Yes.
Melissa, words fail me, you know. I'm sure the words you've been there for.
Okay. Melissa. Melissa.
Don't worry, I'm sure she will be fine, okay?
Melissa. Oh, this is great. So good to be true. Yes? Hold on. Come in. Melissa, I have booked our flight tickets. So after the football match, we'll have to leave this place, the country, and forget about the other thing.
And forget about our values, our morals, and our disciplines too, right?
I don't understand. What do you mean by that? We agreed. I even called you. You said yes, I should go on and book the flight ticket. What do you mean by morals, discipline?
No, I am talking about the morals, the values, and the discipline my parents imbibed in me. Orlando, when I got home yesterday, I met my parents. Surprisingly, they were just seated there, applauding me, cheering me. They told me all the good stuff Felix told them I had done for him and how I've been helping raise Alicia. They prayed for me. Orlando, I am Melissa. But my parents still see Millicent in me. You know, Felix proposed to me before my parents yesterday.
What?
He gave me an engagement ring. Orlando, I am confused. I am caught in this dilemma to choose between my past and my present. I do not know what to do.
Come on, what do you mean you don't know what to do? Hey, I love you. And you know that, right? Come on, I know you love me too. What are you saying?
Orlando, I love you too. I love you so much.
Then let's fly and leave this place.
We have to find a perfect solution to our togetherness.
No, don't tell me that. You want to break my heart for the second time?
No, I just need time.
No, come on, babe. Come on. This is so unfair. You mean are you trying to tell me you want to accept his proposal or what? Or you want to be with him?
No, I'm just saying.
Hey, listen. I'm the right man for you. Alright? I love you. Remember the good times we shared together and everything? Come on, let's go and perfect it. Alright? Let's leave this country, go to a better place where we can, chill without worries, bear children together, live a better life.
know you're the actual reason why Melissa is not talking to me. Ever since you came into the picture, everything's spoiled.
I don't know what you're talking about. Are you dating Melissa?
Listen, I love Melissa. I know she's staying here. Please just go in and call her for me. Alright? I want to see her. I love her. I cannot do without her. Listen, any amount at all that you want me to pay you, I can pay just to be with her. Alright? Do this thing for me, okay?
Orlando,
a man is dying here.
Orlando, please. I cannot help you as it is right now. I can't help you. Everything lies on Melissa. And how are you sure she truly loves you as you claim?
What do you mean if she loves me or not? She is in love with me. And I love her too. Come on, are you asking me that question? I love her. Just go in and call her for me.
Just beat your voices in my boss's house.
I actually followed you here because I know that you can do something about it, okay? I am dying. I am frustrated. Please, I am depressed. Melissa! Please come out! I'm here!
My boss's house!
I don't care.
I
I love her. That's all I want. I want to see her.
Just
Melissa!
Let come to call my boss. This is my boss. Your voice.
Can you go in and call her for me? Melissa!
I said, this is my boss. He's here already.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Orlando Peters Imasuen. What brings you to my house? It's fine. Please, let's go in and talk.
Inside.
Yeah, please.
Gathered. His name is Orlando Peter Innocent. He is a footballer. He plays for Mackin Football Club. And he is also the captain of the club. He has a fiancée named Juliet Igodaro. They both traveled down because of the National Football Champions League. But Juliet's parents reside here.
Okay, well, I sincerely hope this plan works out fine.
Sure, it will work out. Melissa has done everything good for you. She is well-mannered, cultured, and a nice girl, just like her late sister, Millicent.
Sorry, I'm lost here. Are you trying to say she's a sister to your brother's late wife? Wow.
Yes, she is. Melissa's paid a huge sacrifice. Yeah. You know, she has been there for my daughter and I. I mean, Alicia practically sees her as her real and biological mother. She has also made me realize that I've not been a loving and caring father to my daughter. We've been living together for years, and as the day goes by, I started developing feelings for her. Yeah. Look, sincerely, I don't know what would happen if I lose Melissa. I don't know what life will feel like for I and my daughter.
Brother, you won't lose her. I believe she feels the same way for you. I am a woman, and I can tell. Over time, I have had so many discussions with her. And from our discussion, I believe she has long grown deep feelings for you. So let's just trust Susan here to do her job. I believe she can deliver.
So let's put mine at rest, okay? I promise to do my best.
If you say so. I made a huge mistake. And before I could realize it all, things have started falling apart. Then I tried getting you back into the family.
How much money will it take you to make and see that time is priceless. There won't be a second chance for you to go back in time and right the wrong. You cannot right the wrong. Hey, I want you to stay with me.
Melissa, meet my secretary.
Oh, secretary.
Yeah.
Nice to meet you.
I'll meet you soon.
So she's so beautiful.
I know.
I promise to do my best, especially that I've seen my face.
Okay, look,